I wanted to introduce you to some of my dear friends, Pat and Gina Neely. Y'all come on in and meet everybody.
Paula.
Do I love these folks or
so
what?
Good
Y'all,
to see you.
oh, my
Thanks
precious
for inviting
little
us
Pat.
back.
Wow. This is Pat, and this is Gina. Y'all, I met them actually through Jamie and Bobby. They came home and they said, Mama, we have met the best barbecue family in the South. What are y'all making for us today, Pat?
We're gonna do a dry seasening, the Neely's dry seasoning. We're gonna do a wet seasoning, which is Neely's barbecue sauce. And we're gonna combine those together, Paula, and we're gonna make a fabulous barbecue pork chop.
Wonderful.
Paula, first thing we're gonna do is our dry rub. Gina's gonna help me.
So the ingredients for the dry rub is 1 cup of paprika.
One cup.
1 cup.
Okay.
Pour it in here. And then we're gonna put in
3.5 tablespoons of sugar.
Okay. I got
and
it
then a
back,
half
sister.
a teaspoonful of onion powder.
Okay.
Pour that in there. And then you blend it all together.
Now, this is your dry rub, right? Now,
right.
what do y'all do with that?
This is sort of like our house seasoning. Like your Paula seasoning. We got a Neely seasoning. We sprinkle this on all of our meats, fish, you know, chicken.
Really?
Vegetables, anything just to add a little kick to it.
It's a great seasoning, great grill seasoning. We're gonna do something real special with it on the pork chops.
Honey, you got me. I'm a pork chop lover.
You and me both.
So get on down there and get started, honey.
Yes, ma'am. You know, Paula, I always
Said
do
the
like
boss.
Mama. I do like Mama tells me. I try to stay out of trouble, and it's worked for 15 years. Okay, Paula, we have 2 cups of ketchup. That's the base. I take my brown sugar, and I need 6 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Not like that brown sugar.
And you know, don't make me lose my concentration. I'm gonna do 5 of the white. Down south, most recipes, they're gonna have a lot of this sweet.
We like it sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, we like it sweet down
Now,
here, too.
1.5 teaspoons paprika. Then we have ground mustard. I just love ground. I noticed that you were using ground mustard. It's just it has such a great flavor. 1.5 teaspoons.
That's a great start.
So I got 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper.
I love the black pepper in barbecue sauce.
Oh, it
Makes
really
for
does.
great barbecue sauce.
1.5 teaspoons of onion powder. And I just kind of mix that in. It gives me a good little mixture. Okay? So now I'm ready. I come with 2 cups of ketchup.
Okay.
Your
You
spatula
need some
here.
help or you got it?
Come on, sweetie, help Daddy out. You know Daddy like Mama to be down here working with it. So I got my ketchup, and honey, if you just finish putting that in there. So we got the ketchup, and with 2 cups of ketchup, that means it'll be 1 cup of water. Thank you, sweetie. And then we got 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and then we'll go ahead and put our spices in. And then we stir it, and we bring that to a boil, and once we bring it to a boil, we let it simmer for about an hour, hour and a half, and let that barbecue sauce cook. But we're gonna tone it down a little bit with this lemon. I just normally say take 1/2 a lemon.
Wakes up the
Love
flavor.
lemon juice, okay. We got a full teaspoon of
Corn
syrup and Worcestershire sauce. And so while that's cooking, we got our dry rub.
Yeah.
Paula, honey, it is ready to do some indoor barbecuing. We're gonna season these pork chops with this seasoning. So typically what we like to do is season the chops and then marinate them and let them sit for 8 hours. When you do that, it just, Paula, it makes all the difference in the world the next day.
See, I'm the worker. That's the talker. How many times he gonna season them verbally? Can we get some work done over here?
You know, it's the same way in my house,
Girl,
Gina.
I know what these men,
We
honey.
get in the kitchen and Michael bosses me around.
In the first place at the table, right?
Yeah, yeah. I said, I don't tell you how to park them ships. Don't come in here telling me how to cook my
All
pork
right,
chops.
girl. Get them straight, Paula. You place them in this
maybe I need
bag.
to find something to keep me busy. Okay.
You can go over there and get
Now,
that sauce.
We got it, but we got some already cooked because that's gonna take a little hour or so.
So then we just lay it here.
I just want you like that, Paula? Isn't it good? Now we're putting the barbecue sauce in here. We're gonna marinate.
Ooh, we're gonna marinate
Isn't
on
that
these
something?
chops,
You
stick them
know-
in the cooler.
Now,
That is delicious,
Told you.
Gina.
isn't it going? I just
Listen to me,
love-
girl. So these go in the cooler for 8 hours,
Okay.
if you can.
I'll put those in the cooler.
Thank you, sister. We appreciate it, girl.
I'm full now. So while y'all are washing your hands, I'll get out the other pork chops that y'all have had marinating.
We want to spray this grill just so it doesn't stick. All right. Then, now if we were cooking outside, I would probably go more to an indirect heat.
Yeah.
But based on we're indoors in your grill, that's an even temperature.
Even
and so
heat
we
all the
don't
way
really
through.
have to worry about them.
Rubber band. Wow.
Those look good,
They
Pat.
look delicious.
So, is it time for us to taste?
I believe so, Paula. And you know what? They've turned out marvelous.
They look
wonderful. Great.
I can see that y'all's dry rub, really got into it good, giving
It
them a
did.
pretty red
Ooh.
color.
And they
look
didn't. And you see how they cooked? And so we're going to taste these.
My
Paula?
goodness, look at those, y'all.
Wow.
How good do those look?
Just
Kinda
right.
Just right.
Miss Gina.
There you go,
Thank
honey.
you, darling.
And Paula, here's yours.
One for Paula.
I just love these chops. Just
Oh, Pat.
great. Aren't they great?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness, that
know, this-
sweet sauce.
Honey,
This
get
is
you a
what
man
keeps
that
you-
can grill.
There you go. Okay, now ladies, I love you both.
We love you, too.
All righty, see you soon.
Bye, darling.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.